I have a lot of concerns, especially about food with my background as a nutritionist, because on average we eat about 2,000 pounds of food in a year. And if you think about it, that's a lot of matter. So you can imagine that if we're taking in good, healthy components, we're going to change our physiology in a beneficial way. If we're taking in things that are processed or artificial or have toxins like persistent organic pollutants, a lot of these chlorinated compounds that are now making their way into our environment, into the groundwater or into the air, into our food, into our soil, then we start to get a lot of these metabolic type of problems. So definitely chronic disease is on the rise more than ever. We have skyrocketing rates of obesity, of inflammatory conditions, and so many of these things are really interrelated if you think about it. So you've got obesity, and something like 66% of the population is overweight and obese together. And if you look at obesity and kind of the overlapping conditions, you look at things like type 2 diabetes or cardiovascular disease and metabolic types of diseases. So I think that this whole chronic disease tide that we're seeing, it's really a tsunami. And we really have to reverse this. And what I think that we can do as a whole organization is really look at lifestyle therapies. It's almost going back to basics.